NBM of Africa and others versus Linda Nkeji and EHC 220-2022. The Registered Trustees of NBM of Africa and others versus British Broadcasting Corporation and others don't come on 25th April 2023 for trial and hearing of the motion for jurisdiction respectively for Court 2, Efurun Judicial Division, High Court of Justice, Efurun Delta State, with suit number EHC 63-2021. The Registered Trustees of NBM of Africa and others versus Linda Nkeji. 5 of the witnesses will present themselves for court to testify now. Timothy Oyimbo, Delta Zonal Coordinator. Priye Nije, Member. Bawo Yalaju, Member. Jones Akatuba, Member. Obiora Unamani, Member. For the end, they come adjourn the case to 20th June 2023 for continuation of hearing.
The case against Linda Nkeji is suit number EDC 2010-2021 in respect of an online blog made by Linda Nkeji sometime in approximately 2019. I'm sorry, in 2019, publishing very libelous and damaging materials against my client. Upon receipt of the blog, my client wrote a letter to her to retract and tender apology. She refused. On that basis, we came to court to file a suit claiming damages against her, and for the court to stop her from publishing the same material or similar material against the claimants. The case has been coming up today. It was adjourned for trial. Today the matter has commenced and trial has we have called our witnesses.
Meanwhile, suit number EHC 63-2022, the Registered Trustees of NBM of Africa and others versus British Broadcasting Corporation and others also come for hearing of the notice of preliminary objection for the defendants. The defendant to BBC and others filed one motion when object the jurisdiction of the court on grounds save BBC and the other defendants they based for UK and them not fit sue them here for Niger, sake of say them they outside the country. They come adopt written addresses for opposition to the motion on notice objecting to jurisdiction. For the circumstances, suit number EHC 63-2022, the Registered Trustees of NBM of Africa and others versus British Broadcasting Corporation and others come adjourned to 13th June 2023 for ruling. From Delta State, A. Carter, Ojisele, TMC TV News.